Our budgets have been squeezed by high inflation quite a bit, and economists are now closely tracking if things are going to start to ease up a little bit over the summer. We did reach out to some local experts to find out what they're predicting for the coming months.
ABC Action News reporter Larissa Scott joins us live now in our satellite center this morning, looking into what this could mean for your wallet. Good morning, Larissa.
Hi, good morning, Dia and James. And price increases have put a historic strain on consumers. And as the summer nears, many are wondering if they will feel any relief soon. Economists nationwide are keeping a close eye on inflation and how it's impacting prices.
Everyone has seen and realized the 10 consecutive increases that and interest rates that the Fed has made since March of 2022, and that's affecting businesses and consumers alike. So that's a big one, and it's going to be with us for a little while.
The primary drivers of inflation have been housing, food, and energy. All of those have one thing in common: they're necessities.
If a producer can increase the price and keep it there, and they can keep it there because they know people are going to buy it regardless of what the price is, then they're going to do that.
With inflation where it is, we're also seeing consumers spend less now on things like furniture and appliances and electronics because the cost of funds is higher than what it once was.
Inflation peaked last summer at a 40-year high and has slowly come down with rate hikes from the Federal Reserve.
Because we're already seeing inflation numbers starting to come down across the country and in the Tampa Bay region.
Although inflation has cooled, prices on many things are still rising, according to a recent federal report, with concerns lingering about a potential recession before the year ends. Economists are now keeping a close eye on what will happen this summer.
We'll see what the Fed does with regard to interest rates. They may raise them again. They may kind of keep them high until inflation subsides. That's going to impact, again, consumers and businesses alike. Any extra cost that's incurred by businesses, a lot of that is absorbed by consumers ultimately.
In terms of the supply chain, a lot of it is industry specific with how the cost trickles down to consumers, but the one common aspect is labor. And experts tell us the labor market is starting to look much better.
So if we see increases in labor market participation and decreases in unemployment, that's kind of the best case scenario for labor markets. And that's exactly what we're seeing now.
And the Fed's next policy meeting is in June, where leaders could discuss whether or not to implement yet another rate hike. Live in the Satellite Center, Larissa Scott, ABC Action News.